Ready?
Stewart boys.
Ready? Action.
Jikijela mkhonto jikijela. Gwaza mkhonto gwaza. Phambili ngedingo zabahlali phambili. Qina mhlali uzonqoba qina. Ome phambili lana uSankara wakayende regional organizer ekuruleni MKP party ngihamba no comrade commander nomthandazo Miso deployee yomkhonto wesizwe ku Gauteng legislature, also a leader ku parliament ku PCO yomkhonto wesizwe ekuruleni eseBosberg, nakhona an extended arm yeparlament ezo-addressa inkinga zabahlali. Literally uyi-champion service delivery njoba silana under Christian Fellowship VD, indawo abayibiza nge-Rallaway. Currently siklina ipark la sigrade ipark ne-sports ground. Ngihamba no-comrade wami angeke ngicede konke, ngizokusho ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uze la uzo-championa idingo zabantu. We cannot wait, like I always say, ukuthi kwamele size sibe ku-council eGermiston, but we must start to deliver now. We cannot preach into engeke sikwazi ukuyenza mase sifikile. So we are starting now to deliver ama-services as umkhonto wesizwe kuyinhlangano yabantu. Comrade nomthandazo, bengicela nje ukuthi caphu kancane.
Jikijela mkhonto jikijela. Viva Nxamalala viva. Siphilele Nxamalala siphilele. Ucomrade uSifiso uorganizer wama-orana ama-election usengi-introduceile, angeke ngisabuyela kuye. Sila si-PCO together with the organization regional detachment yala ekuruleni. Siphethe i-candidate lethu, nali i-candidate lethu la kule video esikuyo silethe i-service delivery